Welcome to the AI Industry Report, the daily brief built by AI, about AI, from the Agentic Marketing Academy. It's Tuesday, July 28th. 3 stories, and the first one settles an argument that's been nagging at anybody who's used AI to help write their website. Let's go. For months, the working theory floating around marketing circles has been that Google is quietly out to get AI-written content that if a chatbot touched your blog post, you were doomed in the rankings. Ahrefs just ran the numbers on 331,000 pages to check, and the answer is more useful than the rumor. Fully AI-generated pages make up just 5.3% of top-ranking results. Pages that are 80% AI or more make up about 9% of top spots. Pages with less than half AI content hold more than 82% of the top 3 rankings. So AI-written pages absolutely can rank. They're just underrepresented at the very top and indexed a little less often, dropping from around 49% for low AI content pages to about 40% for the heaviest AI content pages. Here's the takeaway, and it's the one Ahrefs landed on too. None of this tracks with Google hunting for AI. It tracks with quality. Thin, generic, lookalike content underperforms whether a person or a model wrote it, and it always has. So if you've been holding off on AI drafting tools because you figured Google would punish you, that fear is aimed at the wrong target. The actual target is generic content, full stop. Use the AI to get a draft moving, then do a real editing pass. Add something only your business could say, a specific detail, a real number, an actual opinion. Cut anything that reads like it could have been written about any company in your industry. That's the difference between the 5% that ranks and the pile that doesn't. Switching to something with real teeth if you collect reviews. Google quietly updated its review snippet guidelines on July 24th, and the new line doesn't leave much room for interpretation. Don't include fake or undisclosed incentivized reviews on your page or in your structured data markup. In plain terms, if you're offering a discount or a free product for a review and not clearly disclosing that trade, you're now in documented violation, not a gray area. And it's not a suggestion. Google says breaking this rule can trigger a manual action, the kind that can strip your star ratings out of search results completely. This is the same standard Google enforces on business profile reviews, now written directly into the code that generates those little stars you see in search results. So here's the move. Go look at whatever plugin is pulling reviews onto your site right now. If there's an incentive attached anywhere in that pipeline, make the disclosure loud and obvious, not buried in a footnote nobody reads. And one quick one for anybody running ads on Microsoft. Microsoft Advertising just extended its ad preview hub, previously only for audience ads, to Performance Max campaigns. Performance Max builds ad combinations automatically, which has always made it hard to know what a customer will actually see before launch. Now you can open an asset group, hit preview, and generate a shareable link so a partner or client can review the creative without needing account access. Small tool, real-time saver if you've had to explain a Performance Max ad over a screenshot. So here's your one thing for today. If you've been sitting on AI-assisted content because you were scared of a penalty this data says doesn't exist, go back, do the editing pass you skipped, and publish it. That's today's report. You can find the transcript and every source linked at AIindustryreport.com. If you want your business to be the one AI recommends, the free checklist at thelevelingwindow.com is where everybody starts. And full transparency, because we practice what we teach. This show is researched, written, and voiced by AI, built by our founder. We teach businesses what AI can do. This show is the proof. And, as always, thank you for listening.